Oh shit, what up everyone? My name is Amanda and I am here because I was sent by the one calling himself the ugly loser, but you may know him by the name Lisu. He said he shouldn't record himself screaming at 3 in the morning, and also he's an one shy ass son of a bitch, so I have the honors to give you some information in his place. Okay, let's see here. Engage the paper, motherfucker. I would like to thank everyone for the astonishingly positive feedback regarding my last video. Y'all made me really fucking happy, and that doesn't happen very often. Also thanks to everyone who decided it's a good idea to subscribe to my Let's Call It channel. I really appreciate, but please, reconsider. The amount of interest in my doings made me immediately start a new project, that may be even bigger, than that FNAF thingy. It will be more traditional, frame by frame animation, with a lot of different camera angles and shit. And no, it won't be FNAF related, sorry to disappoint. As a matter of fact, I don't think I will make anything like that in the nearest future, so if you were hoping to see only more of it, I'm not gonna lie, you may want to leave now, as you ain't gonna find what you're looking for. Okay, so the two of you who are still here, listen now. It might take several months before that project will be done, I dunno. In the meantime I might do something smaller and cringy as I sometimes do, but overall I don't have any ideas really. I'm just giving you a heads up not to expect me to do some cool stuff too often, okay? Cool. But if you want to make sure I am alive, you can check out my Twitter, where I sometimes give a sneak peek of what I am working on. I also draw some random shit, and if I'm lucky enough someone orders a commission. You can find those things on my DeviantArt, if you're brave enough. And if you're just up for a chat you can catch me streaming on Twitch, but only for like an hour, cause that's how long it takes me to get fed up with the game's bullshit and rage quit. Sorry for this unnecessary self-promotion, but I am a one massive whore for attention. Okay, that would be it I guess. You heard the man, I don't really have anything to add. I hope y'all gonna have a fantastic day, as well as you won't watch his oldest videos. Believe me, you don't know what cringe really means yet. But yeah. See ya.